Welcome to the JLG Training Center. My name's Andrew and I'm a training specialist here at JLG Industries. Today, in this video, we'd like to discuss some of the design changes that have been made to our manually propelled vertical lifts to maintain compliance with the new ANSI A92.20 standards. Let's take a few moments and review those changes. On the ground control, a platform ground control select switch has been added to switch between platform and ground controls. A two-position switch has also been added to allow the platform to be raised or lowered from the ground control. Each machine shall be clearly marked with load requirements decal in a durable manner in an easily visible place, as well as have a dedicated area for yearly inspections. Also, descent alarms have been added to alert surrounding workers on your job site of the machine's descent. We hope this video has helped you gain a better understanding of the design changes that have been implemented to the manually propelled vertical lift series of machines. If you have any additional questions or you need any additional information, feel free to reach out to us at 877-JLG-LIFT, or you can look us up online at jlg.com. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching.